Mheshimiwa Rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Atongoria kuuma ituri itiganite na mabururi ngurani mekinyirie kiharo kia Nyayo o ta uria mekwirigiriirwo gucakaya gikuo gia President Daniel Moi. Megwikinyitie kwa wingi o mwe wao akiririkana President Moi na njira yake. President wa bururi wa Sudan ya muhuro General Salva Kiir akiririkana Moi ni undu wa itemi riria anyitire ria guteithiriria gucokia thayu thiini wa bururi wa Sudan ya muhuro. Kiir ni ariririe tha cia Moi na wendo wake uria ari naguo kuri ciana.
Sudanese young sisters were returning from Langata Road Primary School. And unfortunately, they were swept away by those strong streams of floods that occurred in Nairobi in 1990s. Late President Moi heard the news, and after that, he personally went to pay tribute and condolences to the South Sudanese families of the two unfortunate innocent girls. This symbolizes his love for children and particularly for the people of South Sudan.
President wa Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akiuga Moi ari na ngoro ya mwanya ya kwenda uiguano gatagati ga bururi wa Uganda na Kenya, akirigithania atongoria ta madagitari aria wira wao ari kumenya murimu wa andu a bururi na gwetha kihonia.
Nimeshuhudia mchango wa viongozi wa Kenya. Mzee Moi pamoja na mzee wetu wa zamani mzee Kenyatta walikuwa na dawa ilikuwa inaweza kutibu shida za Kenya na shida za East Africa.
President wa Ethiopia akiririkana Moi ta president umwe wa aria mambiririe ngwataniro ya IGAD na itanya ria kuiguthania gitaru kia Afrika.
We will always remember the fundamental role that he has played in the formation of our regional organization IGAD back in 1986, but also the contribution that he has made in the revitalization of IGAD in 1996 while he was heading the organization.
Paul Kagame wa bururi wa Rwanda akiuga riu no nginya tuthie na mbere na kugacirithia urumwe ari ta njira ya gutia uturo wa Moi.
And if Kenyans succeed and make progress, we also share in that. So, President, thank you, and we'll continue to be with you as we all remember this gallant leader, one of the gallant leaders of this great country of Kenya.
Uria wari President wa bururi wa Tanzania Benjamin Mkapa aheana ndumiriri ya President Magufuli ya gutwarithia na mbere utongoria wa thayu wa Moi.
On behalf of the government and people of the United Republic of Tanzania, I would like to express my deepest condolences and most sincere sympathy to Your Excellency and through you to the government and people of the Republic of Kenya and to the Moi family for this great loss.
Nimejifunza mengi kutoka kwake juu ya staili ya uongozi, namna ya kuhusiana na watu, namna ya kuheshimu watu, namna ya kupenda watu. Kwa ninaelewa kwa nini Wakenya mnaomboleza na kusikitika sana kwa kifo chake.
President Mwedi Thayu, mutongoria mwendi urumwe na mutongoria wendete ciana ni mamwe ma maundu maria magano ni atongoria kuuma gitaru kia Afrika magigwikiria kiuria we ukaririkanwo atia. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.